My daughter and I are getting ready to go to the mall, and we're going to a store called Windsor. I have not been in it. She hasn't been in there. It's a relatively new store. I mean, it's been there for a little while, but not as long as some of the others. There is a storm coming, so I'm kind of hoping that we catch it before it hits, but it's part of living in Reno. There's a lot of snow this winter. But so let's go ahead and head over to the mall. As soon as we walked in and I saw these mannequins, I knew this was going to be a fun store. So I was immediately drawn to the rhinestones and the beaded bustiers. Look at this. Oh my gosh, and look at this red rhinestone one. They also have these gorgeous shoes that have little clear rhinestones. And I love the chunky heels, and they were only $30.90. I did see these two long cardigans. Now I'm going to bring this up close. It's not lined, but this one is a little thicker, and it was only $49.90. This one, however, is a little thinner. You can almost see through it, but I did think it was very pretty. And here they have a faux leather jacket. They had quite a combination and variety of clothing. I was so intrigued by this store, and this jacket was only $49.90. I do want to show how they paired this white bodysuit with this faux leather jacket. And the bodysuit is only $22.90. Now this newspaper top was so cute. And look at the back. It's got a tie design on it. And you can see the little clips in the front. Now I did notice that they had a large collection of bustiers or corsets. Now look at this. And you can see the boning in here. The quality is actually very good. For the pricing, I was impressed. So this one is listed at $36.90. And look at this crop top. Oh, it's very flirty. You can see the rouging on there. Very pretty. And this one is $34.90. And this jacket is faux leather and faux fur. As you can see here, it's $58.90. It is by a company called Stoosh. And I'll bring up the fabric pretty close so you can see. Here it is by the arms. You can see this pretty belt. And you can see the faux fur on there. Now this beaded piece is actually a bodysuit. And it was very elegant. You can see this sheer back. And this is $54.90. And I thought the quality, again, is very good. I'm going to quickly show you some of these unique pieces. Now this is a faux leather skirt. And look at these pants. There's a cutout, but there's also a connection of silver rings. And I'm going to bring these up close. These almost look like they're pleated. And it's a teal color. It's very pretty. They're very satiny. And these are only $34.90. Now the top on this is a very fine mesh, and then the bottom portion of this blouse is a faux leather, and this blouse is only $26.90. And let me show you a few more of their rhinestone and pearl embellished tops. And as you can see here, they're all running around the $39.90 price. Now this colorful tube top would be perfect for spring or summer, and it actually has matching pants. Now I did happen to notice there was a big mix of like spring summer with a lot of formals, and prom is around the corner, so I'm guessing that's why there was a big blended amount of clothing. So as you can see here, I'm going to glance up and show you some of their dresses that they have. And here are some of their formal dresses. Like this would be perfect for prom. Now I did get a chance to talk to one of the sales associates, and she actually said that a lot of bridal parties actually go in there and buy their formal dresses. So this is a great alternative. Like I said, their pricing was, I thought, extremely affordable. I did see some that did go up pretty high. I think the highest was right around the $230, maybe $40 price range. Maybe it'll come up, but I will continue to show you some of their unique dresses, and like I said, they are just absolutely beautiful. Now this is a blazer, kind of reminded me of like the 80s with the rhinestones hanging off the shoulders, and it actually looked like it had shoulder pads. And I did think this pink outfit was beautiful with the pink skirt and the matching pink blazer. And look at this, like, I guess you could call it almost like a groovy 70s design. And they also had casual wear, like this lightweight knit sweater. You can see this beautiful like coral color with white. Here they have this very light sheer dress, perfect with summer. And here is that design again with the matching crop top and pants. And this little jacket is more like a Chanel inspired jacket. As you can tell, it is lined. And these are actually matching shorts. Now they also have handbags. This is more of a plastic feel to it, but look at this one. I love the butterfly embellishments on there. And this one was only $36.90. And I'll bring it up close so you can see the sparkly rhinestones on it. And they also had hats. Now I will go back and forth to some of the different accessories that they had here. There were an enormous amount of people in the store, especially girls that were trying on prom dresses. So it got very busy. I may end up having to come back, but in the meantime, I will show you as much as I can. Okay, so I did make it back over to the handbags, and the ones I'm going to show you are a little bit more on the formal side. And as you can see here, they do have a lot of unique designs. And this one is kind of like a YSL inspired purse. And I am loving this pink sparkly bag. And as I mentioned, the associate did say that bridal parties do go in there, so this purse would be perfect for it. And look at this with the hanging rhinestones. Now this skirt caught my eye. This has like a disco vibe kind of feel to it. It was absolutely beautiful. And I'm back at the formal dresses. Now I may end up having to come back because of how busy it was. So I was having to like kind of make my way around people. But again, let me just move over to the jewelry and see how much more I can show you. Now this one was actually one of my favorites. I tried it on and this is exactly how it sits. I was really happy to see such beautiful pieces. They had a lot of gold tones, silver tones, lots of bracelets, just in general, a lot of beautiful jewelry. And as you can see here, they do have beautiful earrings. These can easily be mixed and matched up with the bracelets that I showed you earlier. And they also have kind of like a daily wear jewelry with the gold and the silver. Look at this ring. Oh, I wish this was real. It's absolutely beautiful. And they also have sets like earrings with the matching necklace. And if I remember correctly, I think this was like $15. And here is another one. And here they have a beautiful collection of belts. A lot of gold tones, a lot of change. These are pearls. I only saw this one that was like a faux leather. Okay, so we decided to go ahead and take off because we did see that the storm was coming. So we're going to go ahead and head home. Definitely stick around because even though I'm editing this now, I did get a chance to go back and record some more. So hang in there and watch till the end. All right, so the snow caught us a little, but the drive home was fine. My daughter found her dress. Now, she didn't find it at Windsor. She ended up finding it at Macy's, but it's so pretty. And of course, she's like, don't show anybody. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for coming along. I had so much fun. That store has so many unique items that I absolutely loved it. Anyway, you guys, thank you again so much for watching. And as always, I always mention this, make sure that you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and definitely leave me comments. I love to read the comments and respond. It just feels like a fun community. So anyway, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and let you go, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, so I did get a chance to come back. They did switch out some of the outfits for the mannequins, so let me show you what the mannequins are wearing today. And I absolutely love this dress. I love the nude underneath the beautiful blingy blue, and look at some of their spring and summer wear. The colors are gorgeous. So let me show you some of the items I didn't get a chance to show you the first time around. Now these shoes that are on this table are clearanced out at $10. So it's like their last pair. And I love this. It's like a velvety feel to the fabric with the crisscross straps in the front. And look at this beautiful blingy shoe. And again, these are $10, so definitely check your Windsor for any kind of clearance shoe items. I don't know if they're all priced the same. They did have some clearance at $19, but those were specific to boots, and they were completely gone. Now moving over to the regular price shoes, as you can see here, this one with the little feathery design on it, this one is only $34.90. And I love the clear heel on that. You can see there's a lot of rhinestone blingy type shoes. I love this coil strap on this one. And here's a similar one, but this one is in pink. And again, the shoes, I didn't buy their shoes, but they do look like they're very high quality. Now this one is definitely one for going out and having a great time in them. I love the platform on them. And here they have one in a gold tone. And moving over to the hair accessories, you can see this one with rhinestones. That one was only $11.90. And they have a section with just birthday girl items. So here they have some tiaras. They do have birthday sashes. And they have those in a few different styles. And I did see just a few knitted hats with the little pom-poms on the top and some scarves. I'm glad I got a chance to go back and record a little bit more. It was during the week, so there weren't very many people in the store. I do want to show you this dress. The sparkles did not come off. Some of these dresses that I'm showing you now are a little bit more on the higher end, and these were the $200 dresses. So I believe this one was $239. But you can see the tulle. There's several layers, and the applique was gorgeous. Look at this black one. It's just stunning. But like I said, these were a little bit higher. So with that said, I am going to go ahead and let you finish watching the rest of the videos. I'm going to end it with some of the higher end dresses. You guys, thank you again so much for watching. If you have made it this far and stuck around, please let me know what was your favorite item in this store. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful night. Thank you again, and I will see you in the next video.